one idea, which we haven't started working on yet, but one idea that could happen that would like kind of support sustainable food at this campus would be to have like a section of the Rebel Market devoted specifically to like local food, and so that'd be a lot more manageable than say sourcing enough locally sourced food for all 16,000 undergraduates at this campus. It'd be a lot more manageable, and so sourcing from 200 miles from the Delta, from maybe Alabama, places like that, just for this small like restaurant at the JC or the Rebel Market, which would be more manageable, and it'd give people an option of eating there instead of maybe things that aren't as good for you and maybe were sourced elsewhere, and so it gives like students the ability to choose.
Okay. Then
make people healthier and more like cognizant of the kind of food they're eating, which will help change the system as a whole. Because we're attempting to through the Real Food Rebels and Austin Sustainability and a lot of different groups, we're attempting to start a discussion about what food is good for you, and about sustainable food, which is defined as like local food that is humanely grown, lower levels of additives, things like that, and how we can integrate that into our food system to make people we want to promote like local food compared to like food that's sourced a lot further away. Is that local food is local food, number one, supports local economies, it supports local food systems, local farmers, things like that, which is a lot more important to a community than supporting, say, a company like 1,000 miles away. And also, it's just in general, locally sourced food is more healthy, more in terms of like allergens and things like that, it's better for you. In terms of like freshness, it was just like produced, so it's not like old food. You don't have a like higher chance of getting sick from it. So in general, there's like a lot of different reasons why like local food is a lot better than ways that we're working on preventing food waste here at Ole Miss is number one, we're taking the waste that is produced and we're putting it into a composting program that's funded by the Green Fund at Ole Miss, and we're attempting to like turn it into soil and reuse that, putting it back into the system so that you're not just wasting food, but you're actually creating something that is useful.